Pankaj is tracking Ria's car, is following that particular vehicle there. Pankaj, when are we expecting Ria to reach? In about 15 minutes, can we expect that she'll be at the NCB office now for day 2 of the interrogation?
Yes, Akshita. Around about 15 to 25, she could encounter some traffic along the way. Yesterday, she took some narrow by-lanes and that cost her like 15 to 20 minutes more. But today, she has crossed the C-link. And after that, I think it should not take more than 15 to 20 minutes for her to reach the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters in South Mumbai. As we've been telling the viewers, this is going to be day 2 of her questioning. She was questioned yesterday as well. Her statement has already been recorded by the senior officials of the Narcotics Control Bureau. In fact, the zonal head here in Mumbai, Sameer Wankhede, who had personally visited Ria Chakrabarty's place and issued the summons, was also asking questions yesterday as well, and he in his official capacity had informed that it was because of the fact that Ria Chakrabarty arrived late that the questioning was not complete, and hence by the evening time when she had left the NCB headquarters, summons were given to her that she needs to appear yet again. So today it is expected that one, she is going to be questioned alone. Secondly, she is going to be questioned along with Souvik Chakrabarty because importantly, Souvik Chakrabarty, her brother, has said that he procured drugs at the behest of his sister. At the same time, two important characters in the story, Sushant Singh Rajput staff members, namely Samuel Miranda, the housekeeper, and Dipesh Sawant, the accountant. They have also given their statements. They are in the custody of the NCB till the 9th of this month. So these two will also be made to sit together in front of Ria Chakrabarty, and then they will be cross-questioned as well. But also here, I would also like to add that it is a very, very difficult task for the NCB right now when it comes to the question of Ria Chakrabarty, and it is Akshita, because of the fact that till now the NCB has not been able to give out the link of possession in Ria Chakrabarty, which is the most important factor when it comes to the various Narcotic, Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act. Now, she at best, Akshita, has been a facilitator. It's been the staff members of Sushant Singh Rajput, namely Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant, who have been procuring and transporting drugs. So for now, the Narcotics Control Bureau has not really found hasn't really found grounds where they could say that one, she was either in possession or has been selling or has been transporting drugs. So today's questioning will be of prime importance because, as NCB sources are saying, they believed that Ria Chakrabarty was also consuming drugs at Sushant Singh Rajput's place.
Pankaj, as far as yesterday's interrogation is concerned, you remember yesterday when we were reporting on the story, NCB sources said that if they are not satisfied with Ria's answers, then they could go ahead and arrest her. What really was her justification with regards to those WhatsApp chats to the NCB? Do we have details of that?
Okay.
Pankaj, can you hear me?
Yes, Akshita. I would like to point out three important facts that have come to light through the Narcotics Control Bureau sources with regards to the questioning of Ria Chakrabarty. Now, what has come to light is the fact that one, yes, in her questioning, Ria Chakrabarty has accepted that Basit Parihar was close to her brother Souvik Chakrabarty, and that on many occasions Basit Parihar did visit her apartment as well. So this is yet another important, crucial piece of information. Secondly, on 15th of March, here comes the second pointer, Ria used to procure drugs for Sushant through the actor's staff, namely Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant. She accepts that on 15th March, the chat contents that she had shared with Souvik are hers. So this is yet another important piece of information. Remember, the Narcotics Control Bureau has many chat conversations, and those chat conversations are being put in front of Rhea Chakrabarti, and sharp questions are being asked as to what the context of these chats really were. Why is she talking about drugs? Why is she talking about narcotics? Who was she procuring it for? So the 15th March chat with Shouvik Chakrabarti, to this very chat, Rhea Chakrabarti has said yes, that indeed she was the one who was having a conversation with her brother. Third important point, on 17th March, Samuel Miranda, the housekeeper of Sushant Singh Rajput, met Zaid Vilatra, the drug peddler, to procure drugs. Both Shouvik and Rhea knew of this meeting. This is very important, Akshita. Both Shouvik and Rhea Chakrabarti knew that Samuel Miranda was meeting the drug peddler Zaid Vilatra, and not only was Rhea Chakrabarti aware of this meeting, it is now being said by the NCB sources that she was coordinating as well. Though in her statement she has said that the drugs were for Sushant Singh Rajput, and this fact has been buttressed by the staff members, especially Dipesh Sawant, who says that months after he joined the late actor, he saw Sushant Singh Rajput consuming drugs as well. But yet again, in spite of all these confessions, the fact remains, the possession part, which is the most important and critical part here, still remains at large, because one, the Narcotics Control Bureau has not been able to find any drugs when they conducted search at the Chakrabarti's place. Two, they have not been able to find any link whether she was the one who went ahead and procured the drugs, whether she was selling the drugs. So all these, or she was transporting the drugs. So the section 28 of the NDPS, it's going to be very hard, which talks about criminal conspiracy to apply on Rhea Chakrabarti. And that's the reason why since yesterday I'm insisting on this fact that by and large, a lot will depend on what has been the groundwork that has been done by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Merely going by the WhatsApp chat conversations and few statements here and there, it is going to be difficult for Narcotics Control Bureau to come out with the exact role of Rhea Chakrabarti, though NCB has been maintaining that this is a contact-based nexus. While I'm talking, I'll also ask my camera person, Samir Shanbag, to try and show, because we are following right now Rhea Chakrabarti, where she is going to the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters. It should not take more than 10 to 12 minutes, I suppose, now, Akshita.
Okay.
But the fact remains, today is going to be the most important day. The questionnaire, which was readied yesterday itself, is going to be presented to Rhea Chakrabarti. I can confirm to the viewers today that not only her statement will be taken in exclusivity, one, two, she is going to be confronted in front of her brother Shouvik Chakrabarti, because Shouvik has said that he procured drugs at the behest of Rhea Chakrabarti. Thirdly, Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant, the staff members of Sushant Singh Rajput, they have also given their statements. They have also been charged for criminal conspiracy, because those were the ones, these two important characters, Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant, they were the one who were meeting the drug peddlers. In fact, Dipesh Sawant accepts that at least on 5 to 6 occasions he met the drug peddlers and then got the drugs at not just Rhea's place but also at Sushant's place and also at the resort in the suburban area where the couple was staying for quite some time. But since the NCB now believes that perhaps Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming drugs with his friends and circle, and that circle also included Rhea Chakrabarti, NCB would want to take a confession from Rhea on this front as well. But as we have seen in the exclusive interview that Rhea Chakrabarti had given to India Today, she had said that she has never taken drugs and that she is ready for the drug test as well. But the NCB also has in possession the WhatsApp chats that she has done with Gaurav Arya, wherein she is asking about MDMA and also talking about hard drugs. So it's going to be a long, intense round of questioning today. It remains to be seen as to what Rhea Chakrabarti does. If she is evasive to the question, then definitely she could be staring at arrest as well.
Okay, Pankaj, just stay on with us. Remember that India Today has a largest team on the ground reporting every single update that you need to know on the story. Maushami Singh, Arvind Hoja and Pankaj Upadhyay are currently trailing Rhea's vehicle there as she heads to the NCB office. We're getting you all the latest live visuals from the ground. Rhea is going to be reaching in another 10 minutes is what Pankaj has told us. This is round 2 of interrogation. Yesterday, she was questioned for several hours by the Narcotics Control Bureau. What Pankaj has also told us is that the reason we're seeing this round 2 of interrogation is because she did turn up late yesterday for the questioning. And so the questionnaire that the NCB had prepared couldn't be fully completed. Mustafa Sheikh is getting us all the latest updates from the NCB office, which is where Ria will be reaching in a few minutes from now. Mustafa, you know, when I was talking to Pankaj, he did make the point that at this point, the kind of evidence that they have against Ria Chakrabarti, the kind of evidence that the NCB has against her is circumstantial. Is that why, despite having a pending questionnaire, they did not go ahead and arrest her yesterday? And does that mean that we could not really be looking at an arrest today either?
Well, yes, Akshata, but before those things, I'll just show you our viewers what kind of preparations have been done here at the Narcotics Control Bureau office where Ria is going to arrive in few minutes. Here the police has barricaded the entire area because of the visuals which came on yesterday, and there was no social distancing and media mobbing Ria Chakrabarti. Here you will see that there is nobody who's being allowed except for the police officials and Ria Chakrabarti. Nobody will be allowed at this gate, which is the entrance of Narcotics Control Bureau. The entire side, from both the sides, the road has been barricaded and there is enough number of police deployments. See, this is the police deployment. So Ria Chakrabarti's car will enter inside this area and she will get down and enter the NCB office. And then we also have one update, which is that the IRS officer, the Joint Director, Samir Wankhede, who is one of the leading investigators of this case, has just reached the NCB office. And he is the one who will be questioning Ria Chakrabarti on whatever the queries, whatever evidences which the NCB has. And yes, there is a point about what kind of clinching evidence does NCB has against Ria Chakrabarti. So going by the precedents, if 7 people have been already arrested in this case, we are assuming that the same sections and same legalities will apply to Ria Chakrabarti at some point. Whether what she says is does matter the investigation or not, we will have to wait and see. But yes, even Ria Chakrabarti looks mentally prepared that there can be an adverse action against her. Given her statement yesterday while she was leaving from her house, her lawyer has issued a statement saying that I am ready to get arrested. So this is, you can understand the kind of things she is also going through at this point of time. So we are hoping that in some time she will reach the NCB office, further investigation will start, and only then we'll be able to comment further on what happened in today's investigation. Back to you.
Mustafa, showing us the kind of preparations on the ground there. Remember yesterday, we saw this huge crowd near Ria Chakrabarti as she made her way into the NCB office. This time around, the Mumbai police is not going to be allowing that. That's where they've barricaded that entire area. No media is going to be allowed near Ria's vehicle. She's going to go right into the NCB office. Hopefully, they won't be crowding around her, because remember that all of this is happening at a time when we're also dealing with a pandemic. So it's important to keep those sensitivities in mind as well. We're slipping into a short break here on India Today. On the other side, we continue getting you all the latest live updates from the ground. Ria Chakrabarti currently on her way to the NCB office.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.